The education experience is being reimagined. Educators need advanced, easy-to-use technology tools that drive better engagement and achievement in modern learning environments, sparking active learning anywhere, both in person and online. The Samsung interactive display, with sizes ranging from 75 to 85 inches, offers an intuitive interface featuring a natural writing experience that enables up to 20 points of simultaneous touch. Equipped with OPS capabilities, the display can access the full suite of Microsoft Office programs, so it's just like working on a laptop or PC. The Samsung interactive display is more than a digital whiteboard. 4K UHD content captivates students. Annotating PDFs and Microsoft Office documents makes capturing and sharing notes a breeze, while surfing the web is enabled with the touch of a finger. With quick, easy installation, teachers and students can collaborate right out of the box. Schools need integrated solutions to help teachers and students connect seamlessly. The interactive display, when combined with innovative platforms like Boxlight's Mimio Connect, enable educators to share lesson plans and collaborate in real time with students from anywhere. Create lessons directly on Samsung interactive display within Mimio Connect. Then assign the work to students to complete at their own pace. Mimio Connect also integrates with most camera solutions, so teachers can video conference with students without needing a secondary video conferencing platform. At-home learners are able to keep up with the pace of in-class assignments and tests by accessing digital assessments sent out by teachers with the click of a button. Once assignments have been turned in, Mimio Connect automatically scores tests and publishes grades on the Mimio Connect dashboard in near real time. Samsung and Boxlight aim to provide educational technology that fosters engaging learning environments for students and is easy to use for teachers. Inspire brilliance and imagine a new era of learning.